What's up, guys? Biker Dave here with the Honda Grom. If you're curious of how to set the clock, as well as you can adjust the miles per hour to kilometers per hour and so forth, just turn your key on. Hold both buttons at the same time, your select and your set button. Hold them at the same time. Notice it starts flashing right there, and then you'll just keep cycling through basically. And then to change what you want, hit the set button. And that's all there is to it. So once again, hold them both. If you want to change that number that's flashing, hit the set button. Just keep pressing until it gets to what you want. Press set, goes to the minutes. Keep pressing, blah, blah, blah. Miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Back and forth. It's very simple. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel y'all might like. And Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet. We sell parts and tools for specialty vehicles and power sport vehicles, rebuilding engine kind of specialty stuff and whatnot. So just look for Horsepower House on the internet and you'll find us. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.